Two persons basic conversation. Person A, Ali. Person B, David. Hello, this is Ali speaking. May I talk to David, please? David. Hello Ali, this is David. How are you today? Ali. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? David. I'm fine too. What's the reason for your call? Ali. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about improving my communication skills, especially phone conversation. David. That's very important skill. Many people feel nervous while talking on the phone call. Ali. Yes, that's true. Earlier, I used to feel afraid when my phone rang. My heart started beating fast and I did not know what to say. David, I understand that feeling. I had the same problem before. Ali, really? How did you overcome it? David, I started practicing every day. I spoke slowly, clearly, and confidently. I also learned to listen carefully instead of thinking only about my reply. Ali, that's a good point. Sometimes I focus too much on my grammar and forget to listen. David, exactly. Communication is not only about speaking, it is also about understanding the other person. Ali, I also feel shy when I make mistakes in English. David, mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you will never improve. Ali, that's true. Now I try to say, sorry, could you please repeat that instead of staying silent? David, that shows confidence. Silence can create confusion, but questions create clarity. Ali, very nicely said. I believe one phone call can change a person's life. David, yes, one call can bring a job opportunity, a business deal, or even a good friendship. Ali, that's why I want to become a better at phone call conversation. David, what step are you taking to improve? Ali, first I greet clearly, then I introduce myself. After that, I speak slowly and politely. David, that's perfect. Do you also practicing listening? Ali, yes, I try not to interrupt and wait for the other person to finish speaking. David, good habit. Many people lose respect because they interrupt too much. Ali, true. I also record my voice sometimes and listen to it later. David, that's an excellent method. It helps you correct your tone and pronunciation. Ali, sometimes I feel that my voice sounds weak. David, then sit straight, breathe deeply, and smile before speaking. Your voice will sound stronger. Ali, I never thought smiling could change my voice. David, yes, it really does. A smile can be heard in your voice. Ali, that's interesting. I will try it from now on. David, also remember to be calm. Don't rush your words. Ali, yes, I used to speak very fast when I was nervous. David, slow speech shows confidence and control. Ali, I want to use phone conversations to improve my career. David, that's a small goal. Communication skills are more important than technical skills sometimes.
Ali, I agree. Even a simple phone call can create a professional image.
David, exactly. People judge you by your voice, your words, and your manners.
Ali, so practice is the key.
David, yes, practice every day, talk to friends in English, make small calls, even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Ali, thank you for motivating me, David.
David, you're welcome, Ali. I'm happy to help you.
Ali, talking to you gives me confidence.
David, that's great to hear. Confidence grows when you face your fear.
Ali, I promise I will not avoid phone calls anymore.
David, that's the spirit. Every call is a step towards success.
Ali, thank you for your time and advice.
David, anytime, Ali, keep improving and never stop learning.
Ali, I will have a great day.
David, you too. Take care. Goodbye.
Ali, goodbye.
Follow for basic to advanced English speaking.